INFY's ADR jumped 5.31% overnight. Source: NYSE Close. By 09:15 ist you'll know how INFY's, WIPRO, and ICICIBANK may open. That move is the single loudest overnight signal. Stay with me for clear levels and two things to watch in the first 30 minutes. Dow Jones led U.S. trade higher, up 0.51%, a signal of risk appetite in cyclicals and banks. Nasdaq slipped 0.18%, which usually tempers it and tech momentum into the Asian Open. S&P 500 was flat at 0.02%, so overall risk tone is mixed. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers overnight, provisional net rupee 1,688.23 crore, which keeps a lid on large domestic inflows this morning. Composite sentiment is mixed, that means watch opening range and early flow, not headlines. Live now while you watch this. Nikkei is down 4.54%, a big risk-off flash in Japan. Seng is up 0.82% and adding a regional counterpoint. This divergence makes Asian trading uneven and increases intraday whipsaw risk for Indian stocks as NSE opens at 09:15 ist. Be ready for sharp opening gaps in either direction. INFY's ADR at $11.70 was up 5.31%, the cleanest signal that INFY's may gap higher at the open on NSE. WIPRO ADR at $1.91 rose 3.3%, a direct signal for WIPRO to open stronger. ICICIBANK ADR at $29.89 gained 1.29%, a modest positive cue for ICICIBANK on the open. Use ADR moves as a directional guide for the opening prints at 09:15 ist. INFY's ADR rose $11.70, plus 5.31% overnight. That implies a likely higher open on the NSE. Context: overall Nifty closed at 23,995 rupees 95 yesterday, so the market was already positive into the close. SERVATION. The level to watch is the opening print at 09:15 ist and whether the first 15 minutes hold that gap. If the opening gap holds, follow demand into the first half hour. Next, we look at WIPRO. WIPRO ADR moved to $1.91, plus 3.30%, another clear US-driven lift, suggesting a positive open. Context: the Nifty's late strength provides a tailwind into today's start. SERVATION. The level to watch is the opening price at 09:15 ist and subsequent trade above or below the first 5-minute high. Remember, ADR strength can exaggerate local moves until Indian order flow confirms direction. Next, watch ICICIBANK. ICICIBANK ADR closed at $29.89, plus 1.29%, a smaller but constructive overseas signal for a positive open. Context: with mixed global cues, banking names will be sensitive to opening flows and the Nifty pivot. SERVATION. The level to watch is the opening price at 09:15 ist and whether volume supports the early move in the first 30 minutes. That early volume will set the tone for the rest of the trading day. Top two things to watch in the first 30 minutes after open. 1. The actual opening prints at 09:15 ist for INFY's, WIPRO, and ICICIBANK versus their ADR directions. 2. Early volume. If the gap is backed by high volume, it matters. If volume is thin, expect quick reversals. If this was useful, like the video, comment which stock you're watching today, and subscribe for the pre-market briefing. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.